because I've broken hearts and I've hurt people. I've hurt women, and women have hurt me. I'm just a free bird, man, and you can't tame me, because I do what I want, when I want, how I want, and you know, I don't mean to harm anybody intentionally. I try to love everybody. I'm just a free bird, man, and I gotta fly. I have to fly, and that's why I love this song so much. And I hope you can appreciate that little bit of me that I just shared. You know, maybe I haven't found the right love yet, or I don't know. Maybe I'm just barking up the wrong love. I'm just a free bird, man.